smoked tilapia with bechamel, lemon, and parsley.
I'm Kevin Funk. Join me as I share my love of all things food and the passion for the outdoors.
On today's episode, Bechamel, one of the 5 mother sauces. Thanks everybody for watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button.
It's another simple one. As far as ingredients go, there's not much to it. We got flour, butter, milk, salt, and pepper. That's it. This is one of those really fun sauces. It's one of my favorites because with this one you can add cheeses to it and you can just expand it in so many different directions. Alright, so we got some melted butter already. We're going to add it to our pan. So we're going to do about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Whatever you do, you're going to want equal amounts of flour. We got our butter there. So I added about 3 tablespoons there. So I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of flour. Then we're going to make our roux. Put the flour in, stir it, incorporate it. Once you have it mixed, got 1 1/4 cups of hot milk. And you're going to slowly stir it in there. You want all the clumps to essentially dissolve into the milk. Lower that to a simmer. And we're going to let that simmer for roughly 20-25 minutes to reduce further. But while we wait, we're going to add some salt and some fresh cracked black peppercorns to it. So just a pinch of salt. You can taste it. See what you want. If you want more, add more. I'm going to grind up some pepper now. Now, if you want to keep the white look to the sauce, use white pepper. So I'm just going to take a pinch, throw it in there, and now we just stir, leave it on simmer, and let it reduce. Now this is a definite white sauce. My favorite thing to do to this is add some cheese. You can add some parm, some Gruyere. There's a lot of different directions you can take this one, but cheese is definitely my favorite way to go. So now we're going to go grab that fish. I love this sauce on fish. We've done a recipe in the past with something very similar to this where we did in fact add cheese to it. And we're going to top our smoked tilapia with this. Sit tight. Fish is off the smoker. Now we're going to top it with our sauce that we just made, some freshly squeezed lemon, and some parsley. Here's our sauce. Finish it up with some parsley. Throw some lemon wedges on there, and there we have it. Dinner is served. Smoked tilapia with bechamel, lemon, and parsley.
Thanks everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember to hit that subscribe button.